Alright, go. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love.
I need 500 people to subscribe her on my YouTube channel Angeli TV.
Alright, go.